Meaning of fascia.
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 Fascia. Fascia refers to the thin connective tissue layer that surrounds and encases muscles, bones, and organs in the body. It is made up of collagen fibers and plays a crucial role in providing support and structure to the body. Fascia also helps muscles glide smoothly over one another during movement, protects internal organs from damage, and facilitates communication between different parts of the body. Dysfunction or tightness in the fascia can lead to pain, restricted movement, and other health issues. Regular stretching and myofascial release techniques can help maintain healthy fascia.